In this video I'm going to show you some of the improvements that we've made in version 2 of Spreadsheet for the iPhone. Firstly, version 2 now uses the Excel.xls format as its default format. This means you can just copy your Excel workbook files over to the phone and open them up directly. Spreadsheet can also open CSV and XML files, but mostly you'll typically deal with XLS files. So I'm going to open up one here now. One of the major improvements in version 2 is multiple worksheets. If a workbook has multiple worksheets, then you can access the worksheets by pressing this worksheet button, and you can easily slide between the different worksheets and just tap on the worksheet that you want to view and edit. If I want to create a new worksheet, then this is done easily by clicking on the edit button here and choosing new sheet. I can type in a name for the new sheet or just accept the suggested name, and I'm ready to start entering data. Another useful feature that we've included is the ability to change the height and width of rows and columns directly from within the worksheet. So I can just tap on the divider between a particular column or a particular row, and then it's very easy just to change the width or the height of the row or column by doing that. Version 2 includes an improved colour chooser. In the previous version it was sometimes difficult to replicate the same background colour of a cell, but version 2 lets you choose from a vast array of colours, but it assigns a number to each colour so that you can easily identify a particular colour if you want to remember it for the future. Next up, we've provided unlimited numbers of rows and columns, so more than ever now it's become important to be able to quickly go to a particular cell. We now make it possible to do this by tapping on this cell reference area here, and I can now just enter a cell reference. For example, if I enter A800 and press OK, then Spreadsheet will glide to that particular cell. Now we've also added the ability to merge cells, so let me choose a range of cells and show you how we merge them. Basically we select the line settings, and I can just choose yes here for merge cells, and I'll also choose that the text wraps within this merged area like that. So now you can see that we've got a merged cell here, and if I type in some text, if I make that long enough to go, you can see that that nicely wraps around. And of course we can change the alignment of that to whatever we like, for example top alignment, and it will wrap it like that. Finally, I want to show you the improvements we've made to emailing of spreadsheets. Emailing a spreadsheet to someone is now extremely easy. It's just a case of clicking on this email button here, and then I can type in the address of the person I want to email to. I can also press this plus button if I want to access the address book, and I can just put in a subject and an optional body if I want, and then just a case of pressing the send button, and the files tells me the files sent successfully. So that concludes my presentation of some of the new features in Spreadsheet version 2. You can find this application in the App Store by searching for Spreadsheet and downloading the app with this icon.